Now student, we are going to learn about seed dispersal. As we know, plants cannot move around. They are in a fixed place. Once they grow, no, they remain in the same place. But their seed are great travelers. They can reach far and wide. That is called seed dispersal. So you can see in this picture, this picture, plants are trees are at a, trees are on remain on same place, and their seeds of fruits fallen down there only. But that are great travel. They migrate from one place to another place. That is called seed dispersal. So there are some agent of seed dispersal. Dispersal means what? Seed dispersal is the movement of spread or turn the seed from one place to another place, from away from their parents plant. So there are four agent of seed dispersal, that is wind, water, explosion and animals. So first we will see wind. By wind, which seed is dispersal? Like lightweight seed. So dandelion is a lightweight seed. It's dispersal by wind. It is very light, it is very thin seed. That's why only blowing of wind, it's dispersal by one place to another place. Then next is by water. Which seed is dispersed? Like coconut. As we know, there are lots of tree as a cluster area, on a cluster area, and when that trees fallen down, no, in water, that time it spread by water from one place to another place. Then third is explosion. As we know, the green peas, some green peas yeah, are small and some are big. When they grow up, no, in the inside the cover of green peas, that time it grow if they cannot do not get sufficient space, no, to grow, that time it blast, yeah, and they it crack and they blast, and they spread their seed by one place to another place. Then last, which seeds are dispersal by animals? When, as we know, we are knowing the birds are eating the fruits, and the animals are eating fruits of on the tree. That time they sometimes they eat, sometimes they throw the seeds. When they fly, no, that time they spread the seed uh, on the land. So these are the seed dispersal, the agent of seed dispersal. The seed dispersal, that is wind, water, explosion and animals. Now here one story given here about this seed. This seed is, see, looking like lots of thorns on its surface. This happened Now this happened in 1948. One day George Mestral came back from walk with his dog. Then what happened? He was amazed. He was wondering. He find lots of sticking seeds on his clothes and also his dog's fur. So he wondered what is made them stick. So it is observed that the seed under a microscope. He saw that the seed has many tiny hooks which got stuck to cloth or fur. This gave Mestral the idea of making velcro. You can see on the picture here on the shoes, on this sandal, velcro. Then he made the material with the similar tiny hooks that would stick. Velcro is used to stick together many things like clothes, shoes, bags, then belts, many more. And what a way to take inspiration from nature. So in this way George Mestral, no, he discover the velcro. We can see this velcro in our sandal. We are using this sticking strip, no, that is made by velcro. See, you can see velcro on your shoes like this, the sticky strip. This is also used for in cloth also, to sticking to strips, and it is made by this seed. Now see, one here are poem. Read this poem now. Which plant come from where? Did you know that this? Now see, Just we have to read out and understand which things we get from which country. From South America, long ago came a tomato or potato or green chilies. See, do you know this? The cabbage came from Europe and also pea from Africa, then come from coffee bean, then green bhendi. Now see student, by reading this poem, no, we will get lots of things, which things are originated in India, which are not. So see, let's see which vegetable are come from other foreign country to India. See, from South America, tomato, potato and green chili came to India. It is not originated in India. It came from South America. Then cabbage, no, cabbage, it's come from Europe. It came from Europe. Then pea, came from Africa. And the coffee bean and green bhendi also came from Africa. So it is not originated. Tomato, potato, green chili came from Africa to our India, and cabbage come from Europe to India, and also pea come to from Europe to India. Then from Africa, coffee bean and green bhindi came from Africa to the India. Now let's see which things are originated in India, which things are already originated in India. Like mango is originated in India, which were the first in our country. These things not came from other country. It's first, this food items for these vegetable and fruits were the first in our country. That is mango, orange, then banana, methi, fenugreek, spinach. Then means spinach means what? That palak. Then brinjal, radish. These things are originated in India. These things were the first in our country. So in this way, we learn the germination of plant, seedling of plant sprouted, which things we soaked in water, and we learns the agents. We learns the agents of seeds. There are 4 agents of seeds. That is wind, explosion, then water, and by animals. In this way, in lesson 5, we learn how seed gets sprouted, then what is germination, the process of germination, and the 3 factors are required to seed to get germinate, that is air, water and worm. And what is meant by seed dispersal? Seed dispersal is a movement, spread or transport of seed away from the parent plants. And what is the agent of seed dispersal? That is wind, water, explosion and animals. So in this way, this lesson is finished. We will see in the next lesson with new topic. So good day student. Bye bye.